Here we go then, front row on Vampire. Mention to Cool Cat, this one's for you, love, Katie. Hope you're enjoying Odyssey at Fantasy Island, so I'll be there in a few weeks. But yeah, this POV's for you. So the ride outs were fine, as long as it's done on the chest harness, no problems at all. So yeah, same model as Infusion at Blackpool. We'll have to see if it rides smoother. Yeah, got the main dual carriageway just there. Here we go, straight into the drop. Vampire at Walibi Belgium. Woo! Way! Into the rollover! Oh, whoa! Woohoo! Woo! Hey, sidewinder. Right, we'll see if the double inline twist is smooth. Woo! Yeah, not bad. Woo! And into the brakes. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, Vampire, Vekoma SLC 689 metre standard model.